Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crown Chrysler in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. This car comes in a granite crystal metallic exterior color and a black alloy leather interior color. It only has 86,167,000 miles on it with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This car is a no accident clean CarFax, and it's equipped with a lot of cool things such as Apple and Android CarPlay, front dual zone AC climate controls, fully automatic headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, a 6-speaker sound system, power liftgate, and a 7-inch display system, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our websites for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Chrysler in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. Thank you so much and have a great day.